Hi, little money minds. Did you know gratitude is like a magic key? It unlocks happiness by helping us see the amazing things all around us. But where do you start? Let's learn 3 simple ways to practice gratitude every day. Step 1. Imagine life without it. Pick something you enjoy every day, like your pet or your favorite blanket. Now imagine life without it. Pretty hard, right? Gratitude starts when we notice the little things we often take for granted. Next time, say, "Wow, I'm so lucky to have this." Step 2. Show it. Gratitude isn't just about feeling thankful, it's about showing it. Write a quick note to say thank you to someone who made you smile, like a teacher, friend, or family member. A little kindness goes a long way. Step 3. Share it. Gratitude grows when you share it. At dinner or bedtime, tell your family or friends one thing that made you happy today. You'll be surprised how good it feels to spread gratitude. And here's one last way to practice gratitude. Show some love for this channel. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. Share this video with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun lessons that help you grow smarter and happier every day. Thanks for watching, Little Money Minds. Keep unlocking that magic key of gratitude.